Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be fixing individual eyelashes. Actually, this is my second time. This is the eyelash I'm going to use. It's called Lamere eyelash. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And then this is the two, what's it called? Is it a spoolie? I don't know. What's it called? Yeah. And then this is a bonding glue. We have special glues for eyelashes anyway. And then this is a curler. So the first thing I do is to use my spoolie to brush my eyelashes to the top. Yeah, so this is actually the spoolie, and then I use the curler to curl my natural lashes so that it gives me that definition to be able to start sticking the eyelash on. And then I also do it for the other eye like that. It can be very a little irritating because it's the first time I'm using a lash curler, so it was a little irritating, but I guess. So I started pouring the glue onto the lid, and then I started fetching the eyelash and then dipping it onto the glue. So I make sure that the glue is a little tacky before I stick it onto my eyelash. So I just blew a little wind on it, a little air on it, and then it becomes tacky before I apply it onto my eyelash. So what I do is I just use my fingers to pull my eyelash to the top, and then I start sticking it on based on how my natural eyelashes are stuck onto my eyes. You get it? So that is basically how I do it. So that is yeah, basically that's how I do it. It's a pretty much simple approach. It shouldn't be difficult. It took me about 5 tries before I even got the first one when I started, but the second time around it was pretty easy. So I would always say that you should practice. Exactly. So just practice and you're going to get it. Even how to place the mirror in front of you to get a perfect sitting posture, to be able to even hold your eyes and pull it out for you to see what exactly you are doing, and especially beneath your eyelashes. You need to practice all those things to be able to get a good sitting posture, a good hand placement on top of your eye, and then how to even raise your eyelashes to be able to stick the eyelashes on. So that is what I would say if you are going to start practicing how to fix these individual lashes. The lashes I'm using today are pretty shorter than what I started with the first time, and that is on my TikTok. You can go check it out. But this time around I used a shorter one because I was going somewhere the next day and I couldn't use like a longer eyelash, you get. So I was able to do it for all my eyes, and this is the next one. So when I was done, I realized that there were spaces in between, so I just kind of filled in the spaces and then used a spoolie to brush through. And this is how the first one is looking. You can like definitely see the difference, especially at the corner that you get. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other eye, and it's pretty much the same. I pour a little bit of glue onto a lid, and then I attach and then I stick the glue on it. Like I dip the eyelash into the glue, I raise my eyelids with my finger, and then I look into the mirror and place the eyelash right beneath my natural eyelash. Okay, so like the fake lash right beneath my natural eyelash, and then I use the, what is it called? Why am I confusing myself? I don't know what it's called. And then I use that to just kind of hold it together. Then I use the spoolie to comb through. Now when you fix these individual lashes, you're not supposed to use water to rinse your face thoroughly. Okay, so just use water to rinse where you'd like. It shouldn't come near your eyes. Okay, and basically this is how it is looking like. You can definitely tell the difference. I truly love and I admire these shorter ones because I don't naturally have a lot of eyelash, and this is how much was left from the first pack. And yeah, basically that is it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you love my beauty content. Okay, all right, bye guys.